Well, today I got a delivery of grey paints, and so I can crack on with trying to get the painting stage out of the way and make it easier to just put the last parts on of this F16. It's a bit of a mess at the moment, but that's what it's like with your painting. It looks messy until it's done. Well, I can't say I've done a great deal by the end of this week now, but I have done a few little things. Been mainly doing a lot of painting of the F16. You see there little different details there about the paint and its mask over. There's still lots to do. You see a grey F16, you think, oh, it's just simple, but it's complicated. This nose I'm not sure about because it seems to be match the number for the paint that it calls out as, but it seems to be a lot lighter than you expect. But we'll see. That's the main fuselage area. I've also been painting the tailpipe, the nozzle. We all like to say nozzle, don't we? And that's quite complicated too, because it's not just a circle; it's quite a curvy thing with there as well. If you can see that. So I've been doing that up, measuring it up, and painting it and repainting it. I put the static mix on the back of the tail elevators, so I'll trim them and paint it again afterwards. There we are, glued the tail on. The exhaust nozzle. So that's where we are now for today, this week.